Hey everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 95 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have another dollar store find. This is the LA Colors Bold Plump Lashes Mascara. So this says, specially formulated for bold looking lashes, clump-free brush, plumps and adds volume. And it says you only need 1 to 2 coats. And this is in the shade Very Black. I was probably drawn to it because of the hot pink packaging. I really like that. It's a really cute tiny tube of mascara. So at least it was only $1 because I feel like such a tiny tube probably would not last very long. I would give it like a month tops. It looks like your typical mascara brush. I tend to like the brushes with small bristles and that are curved. So I'm interested to see how this will actually work. I did not curl my lashes, so let's just go ahead and apply. Okay, first layer is applied and I'm not seeing very dramatic results at all. My eyelashes still look very thin. They don't look volumized. And the brush is kind of hard to work with. I did get the mascara on my upper and lower eyelid somehow. I'm surprised that it said you only need 1 coat because for me, this is not enough. My eyelashes are not well separated, they're not lengthened, they're not volumized. They're just looking a little bit darker, like they're coated in black. So I'll go ahead with another coat. Okay, so here are my eyelashes with another coat added. As you can see, it made such a mess on my eyelid, and the hairs are kind of sticking together even though there's no clumping. They are looking a bit longer, a bit more volumized, but nothing super dramatic. I almost feel like I need to go in with another coat and just see how that looks. Okay, so now there are 3 coats on my eyelashes of the LA Colors Bold Lash. And I do feel like my eyelashes look nice, but this mascara is definitely not standing out to me as one of the best that I've tried so far. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my lower lashes. I'll go ahead and apply it to my other eye and come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so mascara is applied, and I'm not going to say it's a bad mascara because it was only $1 and my eyelashes do look pretty. They look longer, darker, slightly more volumized. I think that I'm just spoiled when it comes to mascara because I've tried some really great mascaras. When it comes to dollar store mascaras, I would recommend the Wet n Wild Mega Lash Mascara over this LA Colors Bold Lash, but this is not a bad mascara considering it's only $1. Of course, I like the Benefit Roller Lash, the Tarte Maneater mascaras better than this one, but those are also a lot more expensive. So if you just want an inexpensive mascara, I think this is totally fine. It is very small and I needed to use a lot of it to build up this length and volume, and it was messy, so I had to go back in and remove that. And I'd probably need to curl my eyelashes with this mascara to get more of an even curl to my eyelashes. So I definitely think you can make this mascara work, but it takes more time than some of those better quality mascaras that I've tried out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.